Let us apply formulas on our data. To begin with, let us add the marks obtained in the month of January. You will recall that the formula begins with an equal to sign. So in cell G2, let us write is equal to 35 plus 38 plus 32. We get the resultant sum 105. We can do the same for the other months, but then will not the calculator do this for us? Yes, of course. But we do not add the numbers in a spreadsheet, but add the content of the cells instead. Let us therefore delete the formula and type in a new one. This time replacing absolute numbers with cell addresses is equal to D2 plus E2 plus F2. The resultant sum will still be the same. Now even if we were to change any number in any of these cells, we will not have to retype in the formula as we do on calculator. We can now double-click the autofill handle to have the sum for the remaining months. Now let us add the marks obtained for physics. But instead of adding each of the marks from cell D2 to D13, we shall use the sum function and specify the cell range. Our new formula would be equal to sum bracket opens D2 colon D13 bracket closed, where D2 colon D13 denotes the cell range from D2 to D13. We can see how Excel lets us specify 12 cell addresses by a cell range to get the result. We can now drag the autofill handle from D14 to G14 to get the total for the other columns. Let us now get the percentage of marks obtained. We know that percentage is obtained by dividing the marks obtained by the total marks and then multiplying it by 100. Here too, we will do the same, but replace the absolute value with the cell addresses and type our formula is equal to G/C2. But instead of applying the multiplication function, we will apply the percentage function and double-click the autofill handle to get the percentage for other rows as well. Will you not like to know the minimum marks obtained for physics, chemistry, and biology? To do so, let us type is equal to min bracket opens D2 colon D13 and press enter. The minimum marks 33 is populated in cell D15. We may now drag the autofill handle up to cell F15 to get the minimum for other subjects. Likewise, to get the maximum marks obtained for each of these subjects, we must use the function max and specify the cell range over which we want this to be applied. Maximum mark 36 is populated in D16. We can now drag autofill handle to get the maximum marks for other subjects. To appreciate Excel even more, we will change just one number and see its effect. Let us therefore replace number 43 in cell E12 with 33. You will see that this has affected the results in cell E14 and E15 for minimum and maximum marks, and in cells G12 and H12 for total and percentage. Isn't that wonderful?